We use brake cleaner and blue towels on everything.
One thing I wanted you to understand about this project, we didn't want to tear it apart no further than we had to, so we didn't take anything out from under the dash or out of the cab.
Everything's kind of shot on with sheet metal screws. That don't make no sense to me. That's where a lot of sharp edges come from. That's what I'm talking about. Don't like it. Don't like sharp edges. I'm not a sheet metal screw fan. If I can get to both sides of it, I want to put a nut in both times.
Almost a couple $100,000 now. New shoes, new wheel cylinders, new brains. Yeah.
Well, I bet that's loud on camera.
It's good to go for another 200,000. It's not wood.
Trying to figure out how we can make these videos a little bit more interesting, a little bit more exciting. Like I said, I'll tell you again and again, I'm new at this. I'm trying to learn every video. Some of them are going to turn out pretty good. Some of them ain't going to be worth watching. but we'll make another one and another. I'm very dedicated, very committed to this idea. It's not something I'm gonna quit in the next couple of days. Really appreciate all the help I get, all the support I get. Somebody comes up to me every day and says, "Hey, I saw your video. Hey, you're doing pretty good." You don't know what that means. Y'all just don't know how encouraging that is, because this ain't easy.
They look good on some things, but
I never had no training or no kind of education in videography.
since I need to adjust the valves,
That's the only video I ever done. Video on old Scott Tipton climbing a hill, or my buddy Jesse climbing a hill, or even got a video of the late Dale Bush turning over. Named that hill Dale Bush Turned Over Hill. So we'll learn more about that and some other videos we got up and coming. So gonna probably make a video dedicated just to the dune buggy days. Everybody will enjoy that. If you don't, at least I will. I'll enjoy making it and probably watch it numerous times by myself. So that's okay too. Now, this is supposed to be fun. It's fun making them. I'm learning, remembering. That's what I like to do. And I like to help people. This job on this truck, this good friend of mine, Shane helped me out a whole lot over the last couple of years. Different things. And I want to return that favor. I like to help people. I like to help those who help others. That's what God said we're supposed to do. Take care of one another. Not a lot of that goes on in this world anymore. That's what my daddy taught me to do. Help people. And that's what I'm going to do. So, these videos are something you like and you're enjoying watching me. Maybe watching me make a fool out of myself, but that's okay. If you're enjoying it, please subscribe. Please like, because that's what we need. We need subscribers and we need people hitting that like button. Every time somebody hits that like button, or every time somebody subscribes, I send out a fam jam, and I get some funny comments back from my family. They kind of get tired of hearing it. That's okay. Y'all keep subscribing, and I'll keep sending out the fam jam messages. They'll get over it. There again, thank y'all so much. Good night.